figure it out. Dies.
First 5 seconds, yeah. You got this already.
Ready? No. I gotta... Oh, I don't have any water. I'll be right. Hey, burgers, no water. YOLO. Lead it since you're... I don't know. I don't want to run you over.
We might.
So this bike's not the fastest. Oh god, turn wrong way.
Oh wow. Ow. Oh, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I thought you were gonna speed up.
No, yellow
Oh, I said something.
I thought the road went left. It all looked the same on my screen.
You better watch out for those signs, dude. You don't want to hurt the wall.
Take off my head.
No, worse.
They're flat.
I mean, you can't go all over the place. I can't get around you safely. You do that shit.
That's what I was saying.
Ow!
I mean, yellow flag so bad.
You know, that's a red flag. That's a bloody red flag.
My man killed me so hard.
I'm over here, yo, it's stupid because I saw you go right. I went left and passed you.
So I went through you actually.
Apparently.
Oh, I gotta put my helmet on. You gotta put on the Holy Spirit too.
Since we're taking 5, let me repair myself. Ouch.
I got sentenced that wall. That was fun.
There's no vehicle nearby because it's too low.
Check by the front. Are you trying to repair it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work, bro.
2 hours later.
Yeah, we're ready. Stay on board.
Oh, he fell off already.
Oh, we good.
Oh shit. Yellow flag. Ooh. That was clean.
I knew you guys weren't gonna get anywhere near me, so that's why we go play. Because of the fucking reflection on the water from the rain. What's the area over here?
Oh. Like right when you start to get, once you leave the town to go in, right here. Wow. Well played. Damn. What happened?
bumped into me.
I thought you bumped off the wall and then into me because I was trying to keep my distance and look for an opportunity to hit you on the left. I was trying to stay out of you. These roads are kind of hard.
Yeah, it's when you go past somebody here, it's like, yo, left, stay in your lane. You know what I'm saying? But it's hard to see the lane right now because it's probably the water. You gotta know the track to find out. That's in the situation. I don't know this track well enough to know these situations. Some of them just be like, oh, 90 degrees.
I'm in the wall. Spit me out.
We have a death. We got it.
There's one every year.
I'm embracing the unknown with Destiny as my guide. I almost thought I wasn't able to get my bike back.
So sad, I love it. Oh, I didn't know for that.
Next one.
The next day.
Dying.
I'm trying.
Oh, fuck. Don't even bother. You said don't even bother? Well, I mean, you would have to teleport me to you because my bike launched on the side of the map. Oh.
You know, it's just open the races and spawn yourself a new one.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna revive you and then just use the race path.
A few moments later.
Beautiful. You see it? It's simply beautiful.
Open the race path. Oh, fuck, I can't see the track, man. This shit is dead as shit. How do you open that? You know how you change your engine sound? Yeah. Same thing.
Day 3.
It's hard with the reflection.
Once I got up to this turn, I saw what you were talking about. I'm like, dude, what's it going on? I'll just check it one blur.
Wow. Hold on.
Can't trust you.
Oh, fuck. Damn, bro. I think I ran into that section that you were talking about. That shit was just everything's a glare.
One big piece.
Day 4.
Just to go back up. A little. I was just lucky. Are you stuck again? Hey.
My lights are good.
I'm going back. Yeah, I'm going fucking back.
Fuck that. I'll meet you guys over on the conveyors.
Oh, that fucking turn, bro. It's so hard to see with the glare. That's rough.
I see you.
Can I get a V5? Yeah, one sec.
Oh, damn, crash the hospital. You are eating shit left and right. On the right, on the right.
Ah, fuck. Overstored. Steer.
Overstored?
Overstored.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Compared to all your
Right?
oh shit, I didn't see that, bro. My bad.
I tried to warn you. Came up fast and
Yeah, I was pretty. Nice. 35-point turn.
I don't think this part is supposed to be raced. No. I'm just driving and the engine's going red. Why?
I am heading to the rubber ring, guys.
Yes, sir. So you guys dipping? Yeah.